Hi everyone, here we are at the Dollar Tree. Let's take a walk around and see what they have. I'm really liking those laundry stickers and the one that say wash your hands and sanitize. I think those stickers are pretty neat. So I definitely know that those sequin sheets you see right there are multiple ones inside that pack for $1. I think that's a great buy. Those are new to our Dollar Tree. So I'm definitely noticing that they're starting to stock up in all the aisles. So this is this section here where all of the wooden items are, the cutouts. Those there were boxes all up and down that aisle. I was so happy. So this is what they have so far out on the shelf. So that says family thankful. And I know right behind those signs, they had different ones like that one there that says home and more. I just didn't want to get in the lady's way. But I'll be back. So we were definitely full with the acrylic paints. I was so happy to see those. The canvases are all stocked. Nothing really new that I'm noticing as far as this aisle, but definitely they're stocking, and I cannot wait to go up that aisle once they're full.